Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to redo a video for you. I've already recorded this, but it's a simple box to re-record. I recorded this the other day, but somehow I accidentally deleted it. So we are doing a fun unboxing today for scarves from ThredUp. So here we go, you guys, stay tuned. Hey you all, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Sandra. I sell on Poshmark, Depop, Mercari, eBay, and I do have things on Facebook Marketplace, but I haven't sold anything yet. That's okay. My husband and I are a team in this. We have so much fun doing this together. If you have come back to watch more videos, thank you so much for coming back. We do hope that these videos we're doing are beneficial and helpful to you guys. I've enjoyed making them for you. I'm enjoying the process and learning myself, doing the research, sharing that research with you. It's just been a joy for me to do these. Again, I've already done this, but somehow I accidentally deleted it, which is okay. I'm going to go through and redo this because I think this particular box is an important one to put up, because when I did research for this myself, there was only one video on scarves from ThredUp, and I wanted to be able to share with you what I received so you guys can determine for yourselves if you do are thinking about purchasing one of these, if you don't want to invest in one. These were roughly between 75 cents to $1 per item. There was 24 in this box, and I paid $20 for the box. Plus, I don't remember if the shipping was involved in that $20, but anyway, they were super inexpensive. So even if I list them for $10, $15 a piece, I'm okay with that because the investment was so small. But let's dive in and see what we got. Again, there's 24 of them, and some of these were so super cute, so I hope you do enjoy this. So the first one is this pretty white gray. It has like a silver sparkle to it. It's really pretty, and it's got the fringe to it on both sides. Let me show you here. So that one is really pretty. So we've got that one. This one was really soft. For those of you who love tie-dye, I do have a tie-dye one here. Again, it's got the fringe actually all the way around it. It's got a lot of different colors in it, really pretty colors. Okay, so there's that one. I only had a couple that actually had name brands on them, so I'm not going to stress too much about sharing those with you because, again, there's only a couple. This one is striped, and it is like that. Okay, and here's a really pretty purple paisley one. This one is just really beautiful in color. The purple is just beautiful. I'll bring it close so you can kind of see the print on this, and it does have a solid end to it, and the fringe, just very, very pretty. This print is very popular. You've seen these in a lot of boutiques and stores, and this is an oval one. I'm trying to remember. It's funny because the last time I did this video, I was doing this too. I was trying to remember when they are endless, they don't have ends. I was trying to remember what that name is, and it's funny, it escapes me again. I will probably think of it, but for the meantime, I'll just keep sharing. Okay, this one was really pretty. It had just a basic edge to it, but the print was just really pretty. It's a floral print, very elegant looking. And on each of these, what I will do is, since I don't have a brand, but on a couple of them, I will just give sizing, whether or not it's got a straight edge, the frayed edge, or tasseled edge, and we will just share that information for everybody so that they know what they are getting. This one has the frayed edge with the trim. Very pretty. It's got the blue with orange print floral to it. A lot of these will be really, really cute for springtime and summertime coming up, for those who like just that extra little wrap. And this one is a knit one. It's very pretty print knit, not print, but knit decor. Very, very pretty blue. This one has kind of like a rectangle look to it. Not rectangle. I am just not doing well with shapes today. It's really pretty. It's got multicolors. Man, I cannot believe how my brain just isn't processing some of these pieces of information. You guys just laugh. It's funny. But this one has a nice little grouping to it. So really pretty. Really nice blue color. And this one is definitely more of a vintage piece. It's got the striped tiger, the animal print, and it's got a, let's see if I can show you, if you can see that well enough. It's got a pretty floral print on it to boot. It is very lightweight. Okay, so there is that one. This one also is a plaid print, multicolored with fringes on it. This one's really pretty. Nice and long. Nice long piece. These all look to be in pretty good condition. A couple of them I did notice have a little bit of pulling. And some of those we'll be able to trim off. Some of those we'll need to note depending on how much it pulled. So we will definitely do that in each one. This one, I don't believe. Yeah, this one, it had a tag on it, but it wasn't the label. It was just instructions on cleaning. This is a really pretty peach colored one. I'm not going to open it up completely, but you can see that it's a nice size. That's like half of it. Very nice size. And then again, another kind of a crocheted different piece. I don't know if this one was homemade and it was thrown in. It kind of makes me think that this one might have been homemade just because of the way it looks. So there's that one, a pretty pink one. And then this one was very unique. It's kind of hard to see the print on this, but it's an orange and kind of a grayish color. And it does have the fringe tassels on the end, and it is nice and long, very light, very pretty. This one actually did have the tag, and the name on this one was, now I gotta be able to pronounce it. Past me, I'll just show you. I'm honestly not sure how to say that. So there's that one. Got a few more to go still. Another striped one. This one has a kind of a striped different print, and it does have the frayed edge all around. It's nice and big piece with multicolored. Hopefully you can see that well enough. Kind of different. Here's a chevron print. I know chevron was really, really popular, and it still is. This was definitely pre-owned, and it doesn't have a label, it just has care, but it is also like that. Very pretty. This one was definitely, I don't know if this is, excuse me, if this is vintage or not. And it has these initials on it. Let me see if I can. It's got striped with floral, and it's got like some initials on it. So I don't know if that is the brand or what, but it's a very pretty scarf. Squared. There's that one. The nice thing that I liked about this box, it had a lot of variation to it. They weren't like all the same. There's a lot of variety in here. This one is definitely an orange with the tasseled ends. And it has a little bit of a, I'll see if I can put it up here with the lighting. It has a little bit of a print on it. It's hard to tell. It's very, very faint. It has like a little print on it, but you can't really see it very well. Now this one is, I'm not sure how to describe this color, but it's kind of a reddish pink. I don't know. It's hard to explain this color. And it has this print on it. It's pretty. Very pretty. Does have the raw edge, the frayed edge on it. Nice and long. very lightweight. So there's that one. Again, all these seem to be in pretty good condition. Here's another very lightweight see-through paisley print, multicolored. Okay. This one is oh, this one was super cute. This has the tassels on it, and it's black, like a dark gray and white block print. Kind of a plaid print. Very, very cute in a nice size. The tassels are so cute. Kind of reminds me of the 70s. A couple more. We have a pink striped one here. See if I can gather this up so you can kind of get an idea. Super cute. Again, very lightweight. And last but not least, for those of you who like leopard print, this was one that actually had a tag on it, and it was Old Navy. But again, very lightweight leopard print. So like I said, a lot of variety in this. So it's just got some great options for people to pick something. So I'm going to be getting these listed. And guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy making them. I'm going to be doing a what sold. We've had quite a few sales this week. Our sales are picking up. And what I think I'm going to do in the next week or so, maybe next week, is share some tips and tricks on some research that I've done. Some things that I've been doing differently on my listings, not my listings, but my platforms that have helped me to bump up my sales. And it's nothing that I have created. It's all things that other people have shared that I've benefited from, and I want to be able to share with you. And on the video, I will note who I got the information from to make sure that they get the credit, because it's been helpful for me. I'm even getting more sales on eBay, which is very exciting for me. So you guys, thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoy these what solds, unboxings, and other tips and tricks, please do like and subscribe so that you know when new videos are up. Where again, I'm enjoying watching these, making these for you. And probably Saturday or Sunday, I'll start putting the information together on what sold. I'm going to get through today and tomorrow so we can include those in the what solds. And we'll put that out probably Sunday or Monday for what sold this last week. You guys, this is Friday. I hope you had a really great week. Have an absolutely fantastic day today, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.